Stay tuned for my version of this classic smoky eye, the do's and the don'ts. Let's get started. So I am using a rose tone on the base of my lid. A lot of people have it confused, thinking with a smoky eye that you have to use these dark, harsh colors all over the eye. That's definitely a don't. I'm using a guide because the black shadow has a tendency to get everywhere, and when you're doing a smoky eye, it's very important that you don't go above the lid line. Another don't. And then I start to fill it in. It's so simple. It's very important that you don't go above the lid line. We don't want to look like a panda. We want to look like we got smoky eyes. Using the same process, use that guide, mark out your territory, and then color it in. I've gotten in the comments, you make it look so easy. It actually is easy. Take your time, and practice makes perfect. I love this look for a date night. Look at those eyes, so smoky and sexy and mysterious. The key to makeup is symmetry. You always want to check and make sure the color is even on both sides. Things are balanced. Symmetry is the key when it comes to makeup. So I started with rose, then I added black to the lid. Now I'm adding a little gray to blend the two colors, the black and the rose. And then I'm going back in to deepen that smoky eye, especially around the edge. Under that lash line with some black shadow, just right at the lash line. Remember, we don't want to look like a panda. I'm taking my highlight and just cleaning up right there because I told you that black can get everywhere. So you just want to make sure you've cleaned up the area. We're coming in under the brow with a light beige. No metallics because we want the attention to be on our smoked out lids. Add your liner. And your mascara. And this look will be complete. A smoky eye is such a classic look. Everyone should learn how to do it properly. It's definitely one for the repertoire. I hope this was helpful.